How to set up and create discount codes in Shopify beginner's tutorial. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can get started with building discounts, vouchers, and more on Shopify. So let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is log on to your Shopify store. And once you log on to your Shopify store, on the left toolbar, you will find the option of discounts. You want to click on this option over here, and then you're going to click on create discount. So one thing to keep in mind that if you want to build a sale, so sales are going to be different from discounts. So if you want to do a sale on a particular product, you can go into the product, go into the actual product listing that you created, scroll down and create a compare at price. So the compare at price is going to be greater, and then you can save over here. Then once you do that, you can go into your product section and just take a look at the product listing now. And now it's going to show you, a cut-up price and the actual price. So this is a great way to incentivize customers to shop more because they have a sense that they are actually saving money when you have like an original price that has been marked down. Now, this is just a simple way to increase your sales, but if you want to create a proper discount, then click on discounts and then click on create discount. Now, we have 4 basic types of discounts that we can create. The first, I'm going to start with the easiest one, which is free shipping. To do this, just click on the last option. This is going to be a free shipping code or a automatic discount. Now, you can create a discount code, which you can send to your customers via email, or this can be a automatic discount. So let's say you're offering free shipping on all orders for the next week. So you can add a title called free shipping till November 12th, like this. And then this will automatically be applied to all of your customers' accounts. Now, if you want this to be a code, you can generate a code, and then you can copy this code, and then you can choose whether or not this will be including all countries. Then you can also exclude shipping rates over a certain amount. So let's say I only cover standard shipping in this, maybe any excessive shipping taxes won't be included. So I can add my standard shipping rate over here, but I like to not do that. I like to keep my entire shipping free if I'm offering free shipping. Then you can add a minimum purchase requirement. So let's say I have a minimum purchase requirement of $50. So on a minimum purchase of $50, I will offer this to all of my customers and then limit it to 1 use per customer. And this can be combined with order discounts and product discounts. And then you have the active dates. So this is the start date and the start time, and then you can set up your end date as well. This is going to be, whenever you want this to end. So let's say it's 16th, like this. And then once you've done that, you can click on save discount on the bottom right. And now this discount code has been created. Now customers can copy this code and enter it at their checkout. Now, this is going to be a shareable link. You can get a shareable link to this code and you can promote this. You can send emails promoting this code. You can actually promote it directly on your website. You can put it in your headers and whatnot if you want to promote the code. Now, other than this, you can actually create more discounts. So to create a different type of discount, simply go back into discounts and click on create discount. Now you have 3 other types of discount. First off, you have a product discount in which if a customer purchases one product, they get another one for free. This is usually a great way to clear out inventory when you have too much of a certain product. So you can start giving it away for free and incentivizing customers to purchase your product. This strategy can go about in 2 ways, where you offer the more desirable product as the first purchase or either as the free gift. Now, then you have amount off of product and amount off of order. Now, amount off of order discounts are usually provided via sign up. So if you sign up for the email newsletter, you can get 10% off, something like that. So let's take a look at this particular one. Now, this is an order discount. This can be an automatic discount or a discount code. Usually these are in the form of codes, and you can generate your discount code over here. Then you can choose the value. So whether it is going to be a percentage, so 10%, if their order is worth $100, they would get a $10 discount. If it's worth $1,000, they would get a $100 discount. So keep in mind whenever you are creating percentage-based discounts. Now, after that, you have a fixed amount. So this is only a $10 discount off of their entire order. So even if they have a $1,000 order, their discount would be $10 and they would have to pay $990. If they're ordering something worth $20, they would get a $10 discount and their overall order would be worth $10. So you can do that. Let's say I want to do a percentage discount, which is going to be 10% off of entire order. Then you can add the minimum requirements. So if it is going to be minimum quantity of item, minimum purchase amount, and no minimum requirements. So I'm going to add no minimum requirements. And then I'm going to scroll down and add my customer eligibility. So I want this to be available for all customers. Then you have the maximum number of discount uses. So you can limit the total number of times that this discount can be used, or you can limit it to 1 use per customer. I'm going to limit it to 1 use per customer. And then let's say I want this to be able to combined with product discounts. So if I have discounted a product, they can further apply this discount code. Then I can also choose to combine this with order discounts, where if someone is ordering, multiple items and they can, combine multiple order discounts. Now, I don't want this to be combined with order discounts because this is already an order discount. If they combine too many, then the, amount might be reduced too much. So I would like to combine this with product discounts and shipping discounts. And now I am just going to set an active date without an end date, and I'll just click on save discount like this. Now after this, we can create individual product discounts. So you can click on create discount and amount off of products. Let's say this is an automatic discount, which I'm going to name as clearance sale. And once you add your particular amount, let's say I'm doing a 30% discount, and this applies to maybe specific collections, and you can browse your collections. So let's say on my tops, I have this discount, or for me, I'm going to add all of my products. So you can even add individual products, such as your products that are, not doing well. So let's say our skinny jeans and our tote bag aren't doing well. I can add a discount to those. And then after that, this is going to be a 30% discount. And you can also offer it on your POS locations. Then you have a minimum purchase requirement. I am not going to add one. Then you have the minimum quantity of items. I'm also not going to add that. And then you have your clearance sale can be combined with. Now this can be combined with shipping discounts, but I don't want this to be combined with any other product or order discounts. So after that, I'm just going to click on save discount over here, and I'll just add the minimum purchase to $1. And just like that, 30% would be knocked off of the price of our tote bag and our jeans. So just to show you guys what it's gonna look like over here, and if we scroll down, we have our tote bag, and we can click on add to cart, and we're just gonna wait for this to be completed so you guys can see our clearance sale has been activated, and you will see now 30% has been knocked off of the total price. So it was $11, now it's $8.29. Now it's $8.29. So now moving on to the final type of discount that we can add. We're just going to click on discounts over here, click on create discount, and this is going to be our buy one, get one other thing for free. So you're going to choose this option, and you have 2 types in this. You can add a discount code or a automatic discount. So in this final type of discounts, we have 2 options. We can either incentivize a desirable item and a freebie with that item, or you can actually put the desirable item as item buy. So people are going to be like, hey, I wanted to buy this product anyway, and I'll get the other one for a little bit more of money. So maybe I should just buy the other one and then get the one that I like for free. So you can do this in 2 ways. You can create an automatic discount, which might be buy skinny jeans, get tote bag for free. And then after that, I'm going to add the minimum quantity of items. So the minimum quantity is going to be 1. And I want this to be specific products. Now I'm going to add my specific product, which is going to be jeans. And then you're going to add so in this discount, you can add different types of discounts. You can choose it for it to be free. You can choose for it to be a certain percentage. You can choose a certain amount off of the second product as well. Now you guys can see after that, you're going to add your minimum quantity of items. You're going to add 1, and then I'm making a very specific discount. If you want this to be more broad, you can just offer, buy 1 item, get 1 item for free, or buy 1 item, get 50% off the second item. Then you're going to choose the products that are eligible. So maybe your more expensive products are going to be eligible in the customer buy section, and then the customer get section is going to be your free product or the discounted products that you're going to give. Now, I'm making it very specific with skinny jeans and tote bags. So after I've added skinny jeans and tote bags, I'm going to scroll down and I can add what kind of discount I'm offering. So if it's going to be $10 off of each or $3 off of each, or if it's going to be a certain percentage, so maybe I'm going to offer 50% off the second item, or the second item is going to be absolutely free. I'm going to add the second item as absolutely free. And then below that, you have your POS system as well, so you can enable this on your POS. Then I only want this to be eligible with shipping discounts and nothing else. Then you're just going to click on Save Discount, and that is how you can get started with building discounts on your Shopify store. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.